Experiment! Oh, okay. What are you guys doing?
I don't know. We're going to do math homework. We are? Yeah. It's about how many nukes will blow up an average community house. We're just biking.
This much?
Wait, actually, I want to watch this. Oh my god. That's scary. Hello. Sridhar, we were supposed to show our work, so which house? Which house?
And Appa, it will make the lava more dramatic. So, slowly pour a teaspoon of vinegar.
You pour it. Mommy, you go pour it.
Who's gonna pour it?
Chennai,
Can
you
you?
pour, pour.
Why should I?
No, you give me that. What is that? The beaker. Give me that beaker.
This one?
No, that one. Yes.
I'm not gonna pour it there. Not there.
That's okay.
Why?
You take it from this and then pour it.
No. Look. That's actually weird. Mama, that's actually weird. So when they drop it with the baking soda, okay.
Okay, now you can pour it.
I just gotta pour some. It says
Siri, wait.
a teaspoonful.
No, wait. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon.
This one?
Oh yeah. No, I think you're fine. Yeah, pour it. Now you pour it.
Do I get it one here?
No, you just pour it. No. Just pour from the beaker.
Beaker?
Yeah,
Why do you call it a beaker?
that's called beaker.
Appa, also you can continue to add more vinegar to cause more lava. Can you help?
Yeah, you can keep pouring. Pour. Wait. Pour. Wait. Yeah.
Look at this.
Volcano.
A volcano is erupting. It's gonna go up.
Pour a little more.
Let's do this a lot of times.
Pour a little more.
I'll make it go on that side. Look! Is this the ash?
Pour a little more.
It's so cool.
This is how the volcano erupts. I'll give you a little more vinegar. Give me the
Okay.
beaker. Oh my god, the volcano is moving.
It's moving! That's weird.
That's okay, let it move. No, don't do that. When you put vinegar, like...
If you put a lot of vinegar, we can cause more. Is this the ash? Is it nice? Is it cool?
Yeah.
But somebody does bad. Do we?
Can I have the spoon?
This one?
Yeah. Okay, what happens if I put
Baking
some
soda.
more
Let's try.
baking soda?
It moves.
மலையே நகர்ந்து ஓடுதே.
Now you put vinegar. Yeah.
Whoa. You see that?
But when somebody does bad, do we pour the liquid on them?
What? Why do you do that?
I'm not gonna do that. Appa, did this happen in India last time?
It happens sometimes.
This happened in Iceland.
Iceland?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
I think we have to put some more baking. I think we. Appa, I think we have to put some more food coloring
Oh, okay.
to make it orange.
Now you got the vinegar. Got to pour vinegar. That's what makes the chemical reaction.
but will it go up again?
No,
The lava.
Ah! What did I do?
It's okay.
it's okay.
Okay, now pour more vinegar.